Everyone, my name is Nikita Kashyap, and in today's video I will show you how to implicate 5S in our kitchen. So firstly we have to know about what is 5S. 5S is a concept in a total quality management, and in this there is a 5 steps, that is sorting, straighten, shine, standardization and sustain. So in the first step of the 5S, that is sorting. In sorting we have to identify the things, that what is needed or what is not needed. We have to sort out the things. So in this kitchen we don't need these things. So I am removing these things from the kitchen. And these cloths. Okay. So, in the second step, that is straighten. In straighten, we have to arrange the things in a proper manner, and we have to identify the needed things. That is now I am arrange the things in a proper manner. So now the third step, that is shine. In shine we have to maintain and clean the workplace on a regular basis. So now I am cleaning the place right now. So in a fourth step, that is standardize. In standardize we have to revisit the all 3 steps which we have done before, that is sorting, straighten and shine. I have already cleaned the space of the kitchen, and the arrange the things in a proper manner. I will show you. See, I have cleaned the workplace, and I have arranged all the things in a proper manner. I have done all the things. So in a 5 step, that is the last step, that is sustain. In sustain we have to make the rules and regulation to follow all the above stages, 4 stages. So we have to clean the space, and we have to keep the needed things in a workplace. So and in a regular basis we have to clean the place in a week, 2 times in a week. So make sure you will do that. So that is the rules and regulation we have to follow. So now I will take some advice from my mother. Thank you. Now I will take some feedback from my mother. मम्मी, मैंने आपकी किचन अच्छे से साफ कर दी ना?
बहुत अच्छी साफ की है रुकी।
आपको अच्छी लगी?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और मैंने जो चीज़ें जहाँ से ली थी वहीं रखी ना?
बिल्कुल, जहाँ से आपने ली थी वही सामान मेरा पूरा रखा हुआ है।
थैंक यू मम्मी।
यू वेलकम।